Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about YSG stock, which is the only Chinese cosmetics stock listed in US. So I got to know this stock because I saw the news is backed by Hill House, which is the largest private fund in Asia. Hill House has 13% of the ownership, and we know that Hill House has been early investors of a lot of giant companies, including Baidu, Tencent, and JD. So yeah, I would be very interested to know why Hill House invested in this cosmetics company. So today I want to talk about some basic information about the stock, some bulls and bears opinion, and I hope you guys would find it helpful. So now let's get started. So YSG stock is like Coty of China. The company mainly focuses on color cosmetics as well as skincare. I noticed this company in the Chinese social media because it has kind of bloated in some of the social media, like a lot of beauty bloggers is talking about this brand. So currently they have ranked like top 5 best-selling cosmetics in Tmall's platform, which is Alibaba's main platform, and the other 4 brands is foreign brands. So what's unique about the company comparing with other traditional cosmetics company is that the company heavily use internet and social media to sell their product rather than the traditional physical channels. They call it like DTC model, which is direct to consumer, that the consumers can directly buy it online or on social media. So in 2018 to 2019, the sales has grown more than 300%, and that's really impressive. And I think that makes a lot of news headlines. So let's come to the first bullish opinion is that Chinese cosmetics market is booming. So here's some data about the current fact. Chinese market is the second largest market in terms of cosmetics consumption, but there's still a big gap when comparing with the other market. For example, the current China's per capita spending on the beauty product are only $27. Comparing with UK is $86, and South Korea is $152, and US is $96. So that shows that most Chinese people doesn't spend that much on those beauty products comparing with other countries. So that shows it's a very huge growth potential. Moreover, since one of their most popular brand, Perfect Dairy, which contributes to more than 90% of the total sales, they target to the younger people, including Gen Z and the millennial. The millennial population is 230 million, and the Gen Z population is 170 million. So currently, the company only have 23 million customers. So that shows there's still a lot of more customers they can acquire in the future. So the second bullish opinion is that their sales and marketing is very different from the traditional companies. So when we are looking at the social media of some traditional cosmetics companies like Estee Lauder and L'Oreal, like most posts or advertisement is about the product itself. But what YSG, the company, do it differently is they mainly focus on how to use the product. So when I look at their social media, it mainly focuses on the demo of using their makeup products to help those potential users to understand how that works. So according to their report, their customers is people aging from 15 to 24, like the majority of the customers. So that is like high school students or college students. They may just learn to do makeup, so they would like go to the social media and learn to how to do it. So this company has sponsored 800 KOLs with followers more than 1 million, and those KOLs will demo or promote their product in their social media. So by using the KOL, it's cheaper than finding the celebrities to advertise this product. And it can also have a better conversion rate because users always see that bloggers or influencers, they're neutral. So they would listen to more their opinions rather than treat it as an advertisement. And the third bullish opinion is how they deal with the supply chain. comparing with the traditional cosmetics company, which has their own manufacturers and their own design team, what YSG is using is a light asset model that they partner with other manufacturers who can also do the R&D part. They call it ODM and OEM, which is original design manufacturer and original equipment manufacturer, to help them design and manufacture the products. So these third-party vendor solution can make them more flexible and agile in terms of product management, as well as reduce the risk of those heavy capital companies. However, there's also some bearish opinion about the stock. The first one is the valuation seems too high right now when we are comparing with its competitors. So the current stock price is around $18 and the current valuation is around 12 billion. When we compare with Coty stock, that is only 5 billion. And we know that Coty stock has been existed for more than 100 years, and this YSG company only founded 3 years ago. When we are comparing with other big competitors like Shiseido is 25 billion, Estee Lauder 90 billion, and the largest one, L'Oreal, which is 200 billion. That may show the company's valuation is very high, but there's also a possibility that it can continue to going up, given that China is a very big market in terms of cosmetics. So the possibility is there. The second bearish opinion is that it also have a lot of competitors in China. Other than its major brand Perfect Diaries, it's also facing some other competitors in the same industry. And since the company use third-party vendors and some of its competitors also use the same third-party vendors, it seems become crucial to how to make unique product that will stand out among the customers. As now consumers can get all kinds of information on social media, like in the future, if they just make some product, it's very similar to competitors, it may not necessarily attract those customers back again. And last bearish opinion is that in this cosmetics industry, it's very hard for the customers to be loyal to one brand. It seems that customers nowadays always want something new, something trendy, something cool, and they will not use the same products like for years. And for this industry, the switching cost is nothing, and there's also no network effect that if I buy one lipstick, I also need to buy the eyeshadow, something. How to continue their sales growth can also be a strategic questions to the management. So now we look at the bulls and bears of the stock. I want to share some of my own opinions. So in order to get to know more about the company, I also bought their product online and compare with some other the competitor product in US. My own opinion is that at the first glance it's really good, but I think in terms of details there's still space for improvement. But because the company is making those affordable makeup products, I do believe there's a huge potential. As last year we see Pinduoduo has been growing rapidly because it provides affordable products. So I think the logic is similar here. So right now at this valuation, I will not buy this product. I checked Morningstar, their analyst's fair price is around $15. So yeah, I would wait for the dip to buy into the product, because for this cosmetic industry, it's safer to buy the dip. It's like what I did for Coty stock. Like when the price dropped, I bought at a very low price because I believe it will definitely recover in the long term because of brand recognition worldwide. So that's some of the information and my thoughts about YSG stock. Hope you guys find it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!